Hello and welcome back to Zoo Building. Today I thought we would go out and we would look for a injured wolf so that could be our first exhibit ever. Because frankly, I think that wolves, I don't know, they get treated badly. Everybody thinks that they're mean. So I thought that we would go out and find an injured wolf. Okay, so here goes. Let's go. I'm in my backyard. There's my house. Ah, no fly. Huh. Oh, please say we can find one, Ella. Where are all the wolves? Oh, I'm gonna just turn down my sound because I think that it's blocking out my voice. So, here goes. There we go. That's better. Okay, so we're off in the forest, and do you see that red line on this poor baby? He has a red line all down his back. He got hurt. Okay, we're gonna adopt him. And since we're so close to my house, it's not like I'm gonna do that thing where I just sort of take an spawn egg and spawn in a different wolf. Come on, Bubba. We need to find you a friend because you're pack animals, and I need to find at least 3 of these wolves, and they're gonna be northern wolves. I think I'll search up some different wolf species so that I'll know what type these could be. And then T/game mode. I'm just doing this to find a few more lead ropes so that we can find him some friends. Poor little guy. And yes, I did just make all of that up. But hey, I've got a good imagination. An imagination. Dang, I've got a bit of fog in my throat. But, yeah, I've got a good imagination, and, so in Minecraft, I always have to use that. Oh, this guy looks like he has a hurt chin. Oh no, he's limping. Poor puppies, we need to get you home. There's my wild horsies. Don't ask me why I did that. I just needed some, okay? Sometimes I get the itch in Minecraft that I don't have enough horses. And then this happens. But luckily they all moved out and went into the forest and separated into little herds. So I didn't have to kill them. Although I would probably never kill all of them. I only killed a few. Here you go. Oh, right. I forgot about that. Yeah, sheep. No. T/game mode. Why I don't like wolves. Remembered now. Sheepy. Oh no, where's your mate? Where's your mate? I need you and your mate in this shed. Or else you guys... Okay, good. Oh, the princess still stayed alive. Come on, get in! Get in, sheepy! Get in! I need to take care of these wolves. Oh, that was close. And now they've calmed down. Well, let's get building. I didn't know it was just going to take that long to find one. So, next thing's next. So, we are going to find a location for the exhibit and start building it. In survival, of course. I think that, frankly, these just... Oh, I know! These are some nice flat hills, and if we took out a huge area of this, then we could definitely get it. And there's another one of their friends. Baba! about come with me? Okay, now I'm just going to do this one thing. We will have to do this in survival because I will be probably making this bridge a little bit nicer. Because it is entrance to the wolf area. And that is a very, very nice place. Okay. It's very hard trailing an animal behind you as you walk. Hello, Wolfie. You stay here. But yeah, so hopefully, I really hope we can do this in survival. I really hope I don't have to cheat for it and go into creative. I promise you guys, I'll try my best not to. And by the way, I haven't been here for a little while because I've just been doing other things. I was ordering these Slike horses. They're very nice collectibles, and I will be doing some vlogs on them, showing my Slike horses and Playmobil, because I collect Playmobil, trust me. Yeah. If you don't call what I have as, if you don't call me a Playmobil collector, I don't really know what it is, what a Playmobil collector is, because when you see my little place with all my Playmobil stuff, you'll freak out. And I still call it a little place. Let me just... So right away, there's going to be the wolf entrance, and it'll be right there. Well, more like the fence. And nobody will be allowed to go in because they might be a little angry. And unfortunately, yes, we will be having to bring in sheepies so that they could get eaten, because that's part of showing an animal how to survive again. So now comes the idea, that the thing that I was thinking about. I've got 3 ways I'm thinking of enclosing them. There's either fence, which will be oak fence. There's either oak fence, glass, or glass panes. So you can, by the way, if you're watching this video, I will be taking some offers if I don't just decide right now. But let's just see how they look. So let's just, oh wow, that's nice. Or, I find that the glass panes, though, they're really hard to see through. But yeah, I think I'm going to go with the black glass panes. Glass panes against glass now. Oh wow, look at that wolf. Oh wow, look at that wolf. Yeah, I think that I'm going to go with glass panes. Great. Now comes the endless amount of digging. Oh no, now I see the sheep, and okay, I thought that guy saw a sheep and he was gonna go eat it. You're gonna get tied up for now, okay? Don't mind? Okay, there we go. Now, T/game mode. Okay, so for now, we're going to end this video just digging sand. Give northern, that's my little username. We're gonna say diamond cow? No. Diamond, let's just, we need a diamond shovel, there we go. There we go. Now we're gonna dig. Here goes nothing. Oh, right. We should probably have some potions of water breathing. T/game mode. And hopefully I'll be doing some work behind the scenes, also digging up sand, but I might not be able to because I'm actually going to my sister's. That will be amazing. We'll take a few. Wait, we can't take more than one? Oh, great. Well, I think we're gonna be here for a little while. Okay, there we go. Now we need to collect up a bunch of night visions. Well, honestly, we only need one because, yeah, I'll take 3. Okay, and now we need water. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Perfect. T/game mode. There we go. And we have 4 minutes. Just about 3 minutes and 40 seconds left to dig, if you want to be precise. So we're gonna just do water breathing for now. I can breathe.
What?
Okay, now I'm going to just dig up sand and dig up and dig up, and hopefully I'll have enough to make some nice glass pans. Probably will have to be, this will probably have to take us a long time collecting up so much sand. But honestly, now that I think about it, I should have found a desert, because that's the best place to find it, because underwater, you need to sort of, have water breathing, and then you also need to be underwater, which is harder to collect sand up with. So we might, next time in the future, we're going to find a desert. And that will be a magical time. Okay, now so that it doesn't despawn, I'm going to come down here and pick it up. Not the dirt. Poor dirt. I just neglected the dirt. But yeah, I definitely will leave this to smelt into glass. Alright. That means I might need to cheat for some coal. Sorry, guys. It's the way of life. Unless we make our next venture a mining trip. Oh, that's where all my stuff went. I forgot that things floated nowadays. Why are you so angry? I thought that Wolfie just got this mad face on. I wish that there was a potion called Potion of Fast Swimming, and then you could just go really fast in the water, or fast water mining, stuff like that, so that I wouldn't take hours for me to pick up one single block of sand. I wonder if they're actually floating. Whoa! Well, 1 minute exactly, and hopefully, if I don't forget, I'll just glance over at the time when it's very late, and I'll be like, hello, and see you guys next time. But we still have a minute, and hopefully we can collect up so much sand. Swimming in the ocean. Here comes where I need the night vision. There we go. That's brighter. Oh, and now we collect the sand up faster. Huh, that would have helped. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye! I love this world. Bye-bye!